up, guys? It's me in the future. I'm currently editing this video that you are watching right now, and I just wanted to clarify that this video, I don't really talk that much. It's more just like clips of me and my friends in Costa Rica just enjoying life. I have some trading stuff also in it, more at the end, but I don't really talk a lot in this video. I'll try to do some voiceovers maybe to kind of so you can understand the context of some clips, because I don't always talk like I just said. Yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's a fun one, and enjoy. Wel gek. So yeah, what you guys just saw were me and my friend arriving in Costa Rica. We came to our friend Keanu. He showed us around. He also day trades, and he knows Costa Rica well, so he brought us up to the mountains and stuff. And as you guys could see, we arrived to our home where we're gonna be staying for a bit. So yeah, right here is when we just arrived at our place for the couple of days, and I was filming a trade recap for one of my previous videos. If you guys didn't check it out, check it out. And then we visited this famous Crocodile Bridge in Costa Rica, just like a bridge where there's a river with a bunch of crocodiles every single day. It's pretty cool. And yeah, this was us the day after, just hopping on the charts like usual, you know, just working as usual. My friend with his MacBook, me with my iPad, just enjoying the view and stuff. Pretty sure we didn't take any trades this day. And then after that, we decided to walk to a nice ass waterfall, as you guys could see right here, right next to where we were staying. And then this is me just enjoying the waterfall, then jumping in the water. And yeah, just us having a good time, man. This is my friend Donnie here. It's just me swimming. And this is Keanu Tyson, if you guys don't know him, best trader in Curacao. And yeah, this is then when we went to our restaurant, enjoyed some food. And then this is then Keanu surfing. If you guys could tell, he's really a Costa Rican boy. Bro surfs and everything. Just beautiful sunset. The beaches are so beautiful here too. Sir, we just arrived yesterday night, really late. We arrived at our new Airbnb. It's really nice, but right now the weather is not the best, but there's a good jacuzzi over there, and there's a pool over there. You can't see it. And this is where I'm gonna be trading. Got my iPad. Today is CPI day. I already looked kind of like briefly at the markets, and I don't think I'm gonna find anything for today. But yeah, as you guys can see, we're kind of in the mountains, but not really. If there were clear skies today, you could like kind of see like a volcano and shit. Let me see if I go up here. This is the pool. Oh yeah, we can play volleyball right there. But like, you're supposed to be able to see a volcano somewhere over there, I think, or there. But you can't see anything right now with the weather. But yeah, a really nice Airbnb. Costa Rica is really Really beautiful, guys. Definitely recommend coming here. About to send out my pre-market analysis right now. Real quick. It's 8:30. It's almost 8:30 here, but Eastern time it's almost 9:30. So I gotta send out my pre-market real quick. But this is the view, guys. Really beautiful. Really nice. We got a pool behind there, jacuzzi right there. Right now it's covered. Just really beautiful, bro. Yo, what's up, guys? This morning just got a winning trade. Overall was pretty bearish on the day, just because we had a really huge bullish move before market open, and we reached multiple areas in price that we could reverse from. We reached my draw on liquidity, we reached my targets, we reached also higher time frame imbalances. So once I saw the price was not showing any signs of continuing higher, I went to the lower time frame, had my 50-minute array marked out, went to the 1 minute, got my confirmation right here with this inversion, and I entered shorts. Only targeted a 1.5 R. Since this low right here was a significant low, it was the hourly busy low. So I said, okay, I'm only gonna target that, since if we do reach there, there's a really good chance we are gonna reverse. So I targeted that, got out right there. As you guys could see, bottom ticked that almost around here. I got out right here, almost bottom ticked that, and price, as you guys can see, price reversed and is now going higher. So overall, really good trade, good TP, and yeah, really happy with my performance. And I think I'll give you guys a more in-depth trade recap later on. What a beautiful beach, guys. This has to be one of the most beautiful things on planet Earth. Just nature, beauty. This is the stuff you can experience when you get the freedom from trading, man. Like, there's just so much to see in this world, man. Really hope you guys could take this as motivation, man. This has to be some type of motivation for some of you guys, and if I can manage to inspire at least one of you, my mission is complete. Yes, sir. What's up, guys? Just took longs today with the VIP room. Price consolidated just a little bit before we got some expansion. And yeah, really nice trade. We're 1-to-1 right now. We got a nice expansion during the 11 a.m. macro. And yeah, W, bro. Woo! Yes, sir. Full TP hit. Candela. TP. This is how we do it. Yes, sir. As you guys can see, just caught a winning trade here in the mountains in Costa Rica, bro. Like, just in the middle. We're literally in the middle of nowhere right now. But, you know, all you need is some type of device, an iPad, a laptop, or a phone, and some internet connection, bro. And that's literally all you need. It doesn't matter where you are right now. Like in Costa Rica, a lot of people use Starlink. Like, if you just have a, I don't know if you guys could see it, but it's like right there. That's a Starlink. That's how we get internet connection up here in the mountains in the middle of nowhere. If you have that, bro, and you have a device, you can make money online, guys. Like, it's really that simple. Obviously, when you really go in depth into trading and all that, it is more complicated. But if you look at it from an outside point of view, it's really simple. You need internet connection and device, and you can make money. Anyways, I'm gonna film the trade recap for you guys right now. And then we're probably just gonna hang out, go to a river or something, go to a waterfall, just here in the mountains, and then yeah. But overall, happy with today. Today was pretty nice, really nice PA, exactly how I anticipated it. Exactly how I anticipated it, but obviously I needed to wait for the setup to present itself so I could, you know, place risk on that idea. And so I waited patiently, waited for the setup. 5 minute did look a little choppy, but 1 minute had a really clean setup. So I took the 1 minute setup, did consolidate it for a couple of minutes, and then we started getting expansion to the upside. And yeah, from there it was really nice PA. overall, like I said, really happy with today's performance. Really happy with myself today. Followed the plan, and yeah, let me show you guys the trade recap. We both took YM longs today. Today we both took the same trade. It was a really clean setup for us both. Just a really, really nice trade overall, man. Let's see if it hits TP. We already got some decent expansion. Just retracing right now. Let's see if it goes to TP. Let me show you guys his chart.
I also took the same trade.
Really clean, man. Really clean.
You can't miss out on this type of trades, guys.
You can't miss out, bro.
Took it on the iPad too.
Easy.
PNL.
Let's see, guys. Yo, what's up, guys? Sadly, the trade hit break even. It reversed literally
1 point.
like a couple of points. Let's see. It reached 407. And my TP was at 409. Yeah, 2 points away from TP. And I don't want to hear shit of someone saying I should have fucking closed, okay? Because I'm going to get pissed, okay? There were clear equal highs, and I was waiting for those to get hit for me to get out. So, yeah, it is what it is. You have to follow the plan, though. And you can't let the emotions get the best of you, bro. Like, some people get really mad in these type of situations, but you know what I mean? You just have to realize the uncertainty in price. Like, everything can happen. You can be so confident that your target is going to get hit, and then price just does something like this. You know what I mean? And that's a part of trading. You know what I mean? So, yeah, overall, just a break-even day. Could have easily been a really nice winning day. But, yeah, not everything goes as planned. Only in Costa Rica. Guy, wat zit er gebeuren, man? Waar wil die gaan? Gaat gewoon een ei daar zetten. Yo, what's up, guys? We re-entered. Today PA is just looking pretty clean. We got another A+ trade in one day. Like 2 A+ trades in one day, both the same direction. This rarely happens. But yeah, just a clean, again, just retrace, higher time frame retracement into a discount array. And then M1 setup, change in state of delivery, inversion, whatever you want to call it. There were many confluences. And yeah, clean delivery. We already reached my M15 PD array and a 1-to-1, so I'm already at break even. And we have a chicken next to us right here.
Lucky charm.
Our lucky charm. Chicky. This is Keanu's trade.
Same trade.
So
you guys can see.
Easy.
The price is chopping around a bit in the M15 Sibi, so we just gotta wait around, see what price wants to do.
We're already break even for the day, so there's not much more we can do. And yeah, let's see how this plays out, guys. I'll let you guys know. I'll come back if it hits TP or break even. The chicken is just on the car, bro. What the fuck? Yo, we're back. Trade finally hit TP, like I told you guys. It was a really nice setup. Very clean. It did test my patience a little bit because right here, again, just like the last trade, it grazed my TP and then started to kind of reverse. But I trusted my higher time frame bias, my higher time frame analysis and everything. And yeah, it came to my TP. Realistically, I want to see it come to those equal highs, but I'm just following my plan, getting out at 2-to-1. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed these 2 trade recaps for these 2 trades that I took. This is going to be in the Costa Rica vlog, so I'm not going to post a trade recap for it, but I'm just going to, that's why I briefly showed you guys, you know, why I took the trade and stuff. But yeah, nice win. 2 wins in a row, 2 days in a row. Yesterday we also took a long and a win on YM, and today again, so nice. Oh no, Keanu.
Yeah, what?